The Porsche 911 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery that needs occasional replacement. First, ensure your car is off and the key fob isn't in use. Locate the seam on the fob. Depending on the model, you'll find screws or a snap-fit design. For screw-based fobs, use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. For snap-fit designs, gently pry the case open with a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Some newer models have glued cases. Use a hairdryer to gently heat the adhesive before prying. Once open, note the battery's orientation before removing it. With the fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up, usually marked with a plus symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your fingers to prevent oil transfer, which can reduce battery life. After inserting the new battery, reassemble the key fob case. Snap the case back together if it's a snap-fit design, or reinsert and tighten the screws if applicable. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to see if the car responds. If you have a keyless entry model, test the keyless functions post-replacement. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it at an electronics store. If the fob is damaged during the process, you might need to have it reprogrammed by a Porsche dealer.